Good afternoon, everyone. Today's discussion is about early repair of VVF is my topic. In post-obstructed labor, when the VVF is there is no confusion, there is no discussion that we have to wait till the fistula matures. Similar situation is about the radiation fistula, where we have to wait at least 6 to 12 months before considering a repair. Most of the fistula nowadays are post-surgical fistula, and this is where the question of early versus delayed repair arises. And then there are two schools of thought, and then there is a difference of opinion. There is no clear-cut definition about what exactly is the early repair and what exactly is a delayed repair. In general, up to 3 weeks, most of the people are willing to believe that we can go ahead and operate and repair the fistula successfully. And after 3 months, of course, even with the 3 months philosophy of waiting, everybody goes ahead and repairs the fistula. So there is not too much of an issue about that. It is this interim period of 3 weeks to 3 months where there is a difference of opinion. Some would follow an early philosophy and some would follow the waiting for 3 months philosophy. Our experience over 35 years has been very, very clear and very, very good about doing it ASAP, as early as possible. During our MCS time, the chapter was written by Sir Richard Turner Warwick, and where he said that if you are not depending exclusively on layered closure, and when you are also introducing an interposition tissue like omentum, then there is no great justification of delaying the surgery, waiting for the surgery 3 months period, and increasing the misery of the patient. Literature also supports that the results do not improve by delaying. There have been plenty of large series given the results where the results do not improve by delaying. So why we should put the patient and obviously the first surgeon also into depression, anxiety, and it is a very, very difficult situation for a female who is wet, who is foul smelling, and constantly leaking. So if we can reduce that misery as early as possible, probably that is the great service to the humanity. Definitely sooner the better. Our approach had been always abdominal and omental interposition. And why the most of the other people are not going ahead with the early repair of the VVF, it is probably a thought block that we have to wait for 3 months so as to fistula to mature, which generally speaking is a definite reason as far as the post-obstructed labor fistula is concerned, because that takes some time to mature, and then the line of demarcation may change here and there. But for post-surgical fistula, it is not required. So an early repair, it is a happy patient and the happy first surgeon and happy second surgeon. So it is all happiness all around. So we strongly recommend that an early repair in post-surgical VVF is to be done. Thank you. Thank you very much for the patient listening.